Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your wireless card is present and not soft-blocked. Run IP-Link to find the interface name, and use LSBCI or LSUSP to confirm the device model so you know which driver is required. Once you see the interface, check rrefkill to ensure it is not blocked. If it is, unblock it with sudo rrefkill unblock all. Making these checks prevents wasted time installing wrong drivers and gets you ready to configure the connection. Next, install the appropriate driver or firmware so the kernel recognizes the device. Use your distro package manager and reboot or mod probe the module. Then create a WPA config with WPA passphrase, SSID, password, /etc/ /WPA supplicant. Compso credentials are stored securely. Once done, run sudo WPA supplicant BI interface c/etc/ /WPA supplicant. Conf to associate. You do this because finally, obtain an IP address with sudo dhclient v interface or enable systemd networked /network manager if you prefer managed services. This assigns routes and DNS. Once you have an IP, confirm connectivity by pinging 8 and then resolving names to ensure DNS works. If it fails, inspect dmesc and journoctal UWPA supplicant to find authentication or driver errors. Check rrefkill and retry modprobe or reinstall firmware. This troubleshooting step often fixes the remaining issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.